welcoming Sadika Outi from ADFT department to the
विद्या गुरुणां गुरु रूपमादिकं गुप्तं धनं प्रच्छन्नम्
ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ವಚನ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರ ಏನಂದ್ರ ನಾವು ತಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಜೊತೆ ಆಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮತ್ತು
As a student, I was sitting like you. I was doing the naughtiest thing that you're doing, sitting there. I was also sincere, like sitting students at the first bench. Some days I used to feel bored sitting at the first bench. I used to go sit at the last bench and enjoy for 1 or 2 days. Not all the days I was sitting there at the last, and not all the days I was sitting at the first bench also. I enjoyed both the phases. I got to know what are the differences that the students are enjoying sitting at the first 2 benches and at the last 2 benches. Of course, I got to know only because I traveled through my life. Is it correct? You know that the differences that happens sitting at the first 2 benches and sitting at the last 2 benches. But what about the people who are sitting at the middle benches? Did you notice them? Did you understand what is the difference between happening at the first to last? But who are sitting at the middle, they are enjoying everything. Is it correct? They are enjoying the classes, they are enjoying the mischievous that is happening from the last 2 benches. Is it correct? Do you agree with me that? Yes, it is like that. The life itself is like that, enjoying at the middle. That is, it need not to be either that side to extreme, nor this side to extreme. You have to be very conscious when it comes to the education. You have to be very attentive. You have to be very utmost importance given for the education.
Some competitions, like speech competition, pick and speak competition. So all of you participate in these competitions. Like being a student, we have done lot of mistakes. Similarly, what you people are doing now. The same thing, we have done the mistakes, then we have corrected those mistakes, then we came to this type of this stage. Like the last speech, I think yesterday we were gathered here to celebrate the Teachers Day, right?
So I wish all the best for all the participants, and I request all other students also to take use of these competitions so that it will definitely help you somewhere in your life. Okay, thank you.
You need not wait like earlier to be written by the teachers, your speeches. Now you have AI. We are in a different era today. AI, artificial intelligence. You just tell it, okay, write a speech on Teachers Day for me. It will write.
So each lesson delivered, every piece of advice offered. Each lesson delivered and every piece of advice offered, and all the moments of encouragement are tastements to their unwavering commitment. Teachers invest not only their knowledge but also their heart and soul into our education. Their influence molds our character, fuels our ambitions, and empowers us to strive for excellence in everything. So, on behalf of all the freshers and students present here, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to each and every teacher present here. In conclusion, I would like to quote Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who once said that the purpose of education is to make good human beings. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skills and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Thank you.
The special Teachers Day, I want to acknowledge, thanks and honor our amazing teachers. As you know, Teachers Day in India is celebrated on September 5th, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, our second president and a great teacher who believed that teachers should be the best mind in the country. Teachers play a crucial role in our lives, shaping us and helping us pursue our dreams. Without your guidance, patience and belief in us, we wouldn't be who we are today.
दुनिया में इंसान के बहुत सारे रिश्ते होते हैं और उनमें से एक बेहतरीन रिश्ता टीचर का है.
Today we celebrate Teacher Day, a day
but today I want a moment to acknowledge the incredible impact our teachers have on our life. We all have gathered here to celebrate the celebration of Teachers' Day. Teachers really play an important role in the education and life of the students. It's my privilege to express gratitude to our teachers and to speak about importance of teachers in our lives.
Teachers' Day is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. He was born on 5th September. He was an excellent teacher, great scholar, and the President of India.
You are more than just teachers. You are role models, mentors, and friends. You have helped us discover our passion, overcome our fears, and reach for our dreams.
We have enjoyed our school life very enjoyably and very grateful. We have loved very much good things like sports and other cultural activities.
स्पोर्ट्स हमें हमारा माइंड फ्रेश करता है. स्पोर्ट्स हमें फिजिकली और मेंटली स्ट्रांग बनाता है.
ಭಾಳ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓದೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ ನನಗೆ. ಭಾಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೆನೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕನಸು ಐತಿ.
I used to have a dream like I want to be a journalist, and still I'm having that dream that I want to be a journalist. But my family members said that doing the journalism degree wouldn't get you jobs. There will be a lot of applicants.
ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಪತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಕೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಸಿಂಪತಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ 2 ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಅದಾವ. ಒಂದು ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಬರೆದಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ हाउ टू कंसंट्रेशन.
तो हार्डवर्क सबकी ज़िंदगी में ज़रूरी है. हम लोग सब लोग यहाँ पे हार्डवर्क करने के लिए आए हैं. जब तक आप हार्डवर्क नहीं करेंगे तब तक कामयाबी आपको मिलेगी नहीं.